Hey, so if we have these terms here, collinear and non-collinear, um, we can kind of break down what that might mean for us. So if we're thinking about these different points that you've plotted, and maybe you've plotted your points in your coordinate plane, right? Because here is a line and here is a line, and they're intersecting. We call this the x-axis and the y-axis, right? And it creates this two-dimensional plane where we can plot these points. So let's say that you plotted this over on your coordinate plane. Plop, oop, plop. Let's say you plotted these points, okay? And you had these different points, and maybe we put them at this angle. So if we have these points here, and we connect them if that were straight, right? And they all fall along the same line. So you were to take a ruler and you were to put it on there, right? And all the points are on that line, then they're said to be collinear, like they share a line, right? They're all on that line. So a little hand motion that you might do to remember that is thinking about collinear. So we have point, 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 and they form a line. So collinear, collinear. Okay. The opposite can also be true. If we had these points here, but then there's this extra point here, point R, right? Sort of hanging out. It's in the region of all the other points, but it's not on the line, then these are non-collinear, right? So we could just think about kind of scattering, right? There might be some in a line, but they are not all collinear or they're non-collinear because not all of them are on the line.